That's good. I guess we'll just do the sander first since it's on top. I'll do it over on a table here. Table I made a couple days ago. I suppose it's like keeping that drawer too. If I can get it open. There we go. Oh, it comes with some sandpaper. Comes with some paper and something there. Here's the sander itself. Just some owner's manual. But I know what I'm doing, so I've used one of these before. So that's it for a sander. I don't know what this thing here is. Oh, that's for collecting dust and stuff, I'm sure. Yeah. That must be what that is. I have no idea what this is. Thoroughly I don't know how to pronounce that. There we go. This, I don't know where I'm going to put this right now. Probably in the drawer there. And get it out when I need it. So I'll be back once I'm doing that, and then we'll get to the drill press. Okay, so here we got the big old drill press. If I can find where I can get this open, I don't have a knife or nothing. I'm still using the end of these glasses to get it open. Till I break them. I know in woodshop in school, they only use tools for their intended use. Well, you know what? I just don't care. And this is probably really dumb. Use the end of this. That's probably really stupid. I don't have very good common sense, so I don't know if it's a good idea or not. But probably not. Knowing from experience, probably not. All the crazy shit I've done. There we go. There's an owner's manual. I know what I'm doing, so yeah. Okay, this right here. Oh, I don't know what this is. This must be the base of it, I believe. But I will find out. And I know for a fact this is the thing that your piece of wood rests on. This is probably stuff for putting it together. I don't know. Ooh. Big old thing. If I can figure out how to get this out. This must be a thing for it. It's like a hole type thing. Wide speed apparently. Oh, that's something in there. Oh, that's probably, I think, what was that stupid thing? Should be mostly everything. Oh, look, once I get this all taken care of. That can go on the floor because it's in the way. Okay. I'm gonna assume that this whole thing goes underneath what I'm assuming is the base of it. Like that. And I'm sure that drill screws into there. I think I know what this saw is. But save recording time. I'm not going to put it together on screen, but once I have it put together, I'll show you guys. So I got the drill press put together. Ta-da! But then there's stuff I didn't understand, so it took me a while. Like, there's one thing I didn't understand, I'll probably talk to my mom about, is that this right here, this thing that's supposed to go in there, like, how am I supposed to get it in there when that's there? But I don't know. Stupid safety stuff, I don't know. I don't see a point for it anyway. But then, the thing you're supposed to get is a thing that goes in here to take the chuck off. I'm thinking we don't need to get that, that's not included. But I don't care, and you're supposed to pass it down under the table. Well, fuck that, I ain't ruining my perfectly good table that I made. And I moved this thing over here to put stuff in, like I put my safety glass in there, owner's manual, all kinds of stuff. And the garbage down there, I just don't feel like doing anything with it right now. But, yeah. I'm going to take out the clamps, that's nothing special, so see you guys later.